Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and selecting Sounds and Haptics section. Now you can click on Haptics under Ringtone and Alerts and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Always play, play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. I will go with always play, so when I click, all I need to do is go back. Now select one of those options: ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, send mail, calendar alerts, and reminder alerts. And adjust haptics section the same way to all of them. You can choose one of those vibration patterns. Tap on synchronized option at the top and even disable haptics completely by choosing none. You can also click on Create New Vibration and create your own vibration pattern by tapping it over here. When you're done, hit Stop at the bottom right corner. To play it, hit Play at the bottom left one. If you wish to redo it, just click on Record at the bottom right corner and create a new one. Then hit Stop, and to save your new pattern, click on Save at the top right corner. Finally, you can name it however you wish to. And tap on Save. As you can see, after that, it was successfully created and applied. When you're done with haptic settings, you can go back and scroll all the way down, Surface click. Then click on Keyboard Feedback. Manage haptics of your keyboard by clicking on this sweater next to it. Go back and click on this sweater next to System Haptics to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!